Look at this faucet. Thick white crust caked around the base, gray scale choking the spout. Mineral buildup so bad it looks like the thing has been buried since 1987. Now look at this. Gleaming chrome. Not a single spot. No limescale. No crust. No scratches. I did that with a $2 bag of white powder. No scrubbing. No expensive cleaner. No plumber. Today, I will show you exactly how to use citric acid powder. It dissolves hard water stains. It removes limescale. It removes mineral deposits. It works on faucets. It works on showerheads. It works on glass doors. It works on kettles. It works on toilet bowls. Hard water is the enemy. Hard water is loaded with dissolved minerals. These minerals are mainly calcium carbonate. They are also magnesium carbonate. When water evaporates, the minerals stay behind. They bond to the surface. They build up layer after layer. That white crusty buildup is calcium carbonate. It is like stone forming on your fixtures. Scrubbing alone never truly works. Scrubbing only breaks the surface layer. The mineral bonds underneath remain. New deposits return quickly. Limescale reduces heating efficiency in kettles. Limescale blocks showerheads. It reduces water pressure. It shortens the lifespan of appliances. Citric acid is the solution. Citric acid is stronger than vinegar. Vinegar works slowly. Vinegar has only 5% acidity. Citric acid attacks calcium carbonate directly. It converts hard scale into soluble calcium citrate. The scale dissolves into the water. You can control the concentration easily. Citric acid is food grade. It is safe on chrome. It is safe on stainless steel. It is safe on glass. It is safe on ceramic. It is safe on porcelain. It is biodegradable. It is much cheaper than commercial cleaners. You need food grade citric acid powder. A 500-gram bag costs around $2 to $4. You also need warm water. A spray bottle is helpful. An old toothbrush is useful. Ziploc bags are useful. Rubber gloves are recommended. Mix 3 tablespoons of citric acid into 500 milliliters of warm water for heavy scale. Soak a cloth and wrap it around faucets. Place showerheads in a Ziploc bag with the solution. Leave it for 30 minutes to 2 hours. Rinse clean afterward. For glass shower doors, mix 2 tablespoons in a spray bottle. Spray generously on the surface. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe lightly, rinse with clean water. For kettles, add 1 to 2 tablespoons to half a kettle of water. Boil it. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly 3 times. For toilet bowls, dissolve 4 tablespoons in 1 liter of warm water. Pour it into the bowl. Leave it for 1 hour. You can leave it overnight for severe scale. Flush afterward. The solution turns cloudy as minerals dissolve. The jets open up completely. Water pressure returns fully. The chrome shines bright again. This faucet went from crusty white to mirror finish. This kettle went from scaled interior to clean metal. This shower screen went from hazy to crystal clear. This toilet bowl went from gray rings to pure white, all with the same $2 powder. No scrubbing was needed. Wipe fixtures dry after every use. This prevents new buildup. Use a squeegee on shower doors. Spray a weak citric acid solution once a week. Descale your kettle once a month. Consider a showerhead filter in hard water areas. Always wear rubber gloves. Do not use on natural stone like marble. Do not use on limestone. Test on gold-plated fixtures first. Rinse all surfaces thoroughly. Do not mix with bleach. Keep the powder sealed and dry. A $2 powder delivers these results. Multiple simple methods. 0 scrubbing required. The fixtures look brand new. This is real chemistry that works. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Drop a comment below. Tell me which surface you will tackle first. Subscribe for more solutions. See you in the next video.